same age and alone in the world. We became friends quickly. Sabito had a strong sense of justice, and yet a kind and gentle heart. He managed to kill nearly every demon on that mountain single-handedly. As for me, I was left wounded by the very first demon that attacked me. I was helpless. It was Sabito who saved me. After saving me, I was left in the care of another boy. Then he quickly ran off towards another cry for help. The only one who died during that year's selection was Sabito. I didn't want to remember it, because I wouldn't be able to stop the tears.